In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Cashfree Payment Gateway on your Shopify store. This is an easy integration, so let's dive right in and make sure you're ready to accept payments smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can manage a lot of the behind-the-scenes details of your store, including its payment options. After selecting Settings, you will see various tabs related to different aspects of your store's management. Today, our focus is on payments, so go ahead and click on the Payments section. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll find a range of options. What we're interested in here is adding a new payment method, so look for the Add Payment Method button and click it. By doing this, you're opening the door to integrate a new payment system that fits your business needs. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Cashfree. Cashfree is an excellent choice for businesses looking to offer a seamless payment experience to their customers. It's designed to simplify transactions both for the customer and you, the merchant. If you find Cashfree in the search results, go ahead and select it. You'll then need to follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. This may include entering some details specific to your business and how you want to process payments. Just follow the prompts, and you'll have it ready to go in no time. It's important to ensure that all the details entered are accurate to avoid any interruptions in payment processing. However, if you cannot find Cashfree in the search results, don't worry. It may not be supported in your current country or region. This can happen sometimes due to regional restrictions or the availability of certain services. If you're unable to see Cashfree, you have a couple of options. One option is to look at changing your country settings within Shopify to see if that allows you to access Cashfree. Be mindful when making such changes, as they could impact other parts of your store. Alternatively, if changing the country is not feasible or doesn't yield results, Shopify indeed offers a wide variety of other payment methods. You can choose the one that best suits your business requirements and ensure that your customers still have an easy and smooth checkout experience. And that's all there is to it. Now you have either integrated Cashfree or found a suitable alternative that meets the needs of your customers, enabling them to make purchases with ease and security. Happy selling!